While most meme coins are dumping right now, this Giga Chad token is taking over the charts. Welcome back to the 99bit YouTube channel. I'm your host Omar Khan, and today we're taking a look at Giga Chad token, which is up nearly 20% on the day. On the week, a whopping 68%, and the month, a whopping 118%. What the heck is going on with this project? Let's talk about the highs, the lows, and everything in between. But before the video, guys, I want to ask, if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. And remember, none of this content is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence. I am not a financial advisor. This is looking like a beautiful chart, guys. It's heading towards the moon. The question is, should you enter or not? My personal opinion, again, not financial advice, I would never enter when it's pumping. When you see a moment like this, when it's dipping a little bit, that could be a quick point to entry. But again, with the project pumping this much, I only anticipate is going to pull back. But before you sound like a straight hater, let's go ahead and take a look at all the things necessary to make an honest opinion. So first of all, Giga token taking over. We can see it currently has a $234 million market cap, just under Turbo. That's kind of how I discovered it. And where most meme coins, guys, not most, pretty much all meme coins are in the red, Giga's not only in the green for the week, but it's in the green by tremendous numbers. Again, and this is all the tokens with more market cap and even lower market cap. Like, nothing is in the green. Like, but yeah, diligence up 5%. But other than that, we're seeing red across the boards except for Giga Chad. So they're either doing something right or there's something wrong. So let's go ahead and take a deep dive on this project. So Giga Chad, and we're gonna go straight over to the website and see what this project is about. So Giga Chad, the meme on Solana, the big one. What is Giga? Giga is a meme that has been around for years, that is now a worldwide phenomenon. The meme is based off a photo shoot of a Russian bodybuilder who was coined Giga Chad for his perfect physique, and you guys know the rest of the story. They basically took this meme and turned it into a coin, which is interesting to say the least. Talking about this, let's take a break from Giga Chad for a second. Talking about turning a popular meme into a coin, so let's talk about this new Pepe chain token. So we already know Pepe has been a popular meme coin. What if I told you they have taken Pepe and made it slightly better and made it its own meme coin? This is Pepe Unchained. It's currently on pre-sale, guys, and it's about to reach its $9 million raise milestone. The whales are loading up. Retail's absolutely eating this project up. Not only, guys, is it a Pepe themed meme coin, but it's also offering a massive 220% AP. Their goal is to be Pepe but better. Pepe now has its own blockchain, better speeds, better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor, instant bridging between ETH and PEP, low transaction fees, high volume capacity. They took Pepe, added interesting utility, and it's just absolutely crushing. And $9 million raised is showing a lot of investor confidence. So I want to load up a link in the description below. But let's go back to Giga Chad. I want to take a second to highlight that project, but back to Giga Chad so we know what it's about, and they're here to take over, right? Buy Giga seamlessly with drops, and they have a how to buy tab, which is clean. The big one, believe in something, the big one. What's in Giga Motion? So we see Giga Fitness, a community-run luxury fitness brand that will use profits for token buybacks and burns, as well as marketing for Giga Chad. So looks like they're gonna have like a gym service, IRL, partnering with IRL, Giga Chads, and celebrities in order to promote the Giga Fitness brand and the cryptos as a whole. And it's ongoing, onboarding nominees and frontrunners on crypto Twitter, while slowly onboarding Giga Chad influencers through rating and fire contests. And the Giga Chad thesis, a comprehensive guide that we can see, and we're not going to read all of this right now, but what makes a meme, the summary. The whole point is they took this Giga Chad meme and turned it into a coin. That's the whole point of this project, right? And on Twitter, they have just under 10,000 followers. It's Giga Chad meme on Solana. And we see getting a ton of impressions. Again, remember earlier today I was talking about Pepe video, how community's everything, and that's what it comes down to. It boils down to how much you're engaging and interacting with the community. We see not only are they engaging, interacting, it looks like they're creating some original content. Obviously not original, it's a John Wick movie with Giga Chad face on it, but the point is they're putting up content. They want to promote their project. It would just keep continuing to pump, which is pretty cool. It looks like they had 700 people tune into their AMA, which is pretty cool. It's been listed on main pool, so it's been getting a lot of exchange listings. And the point is, the bigger this project is going to get, and the more marketing to do, the bigger it could potentially get. And we already seen it pump, so I'm anticipating as they continue on, it's only going to get bigger. We're glad to have you on board. So the Kick community, Giga Chad filter on Kick creators. Let's make this ultimate trend. Again, just influencing and just getting involved into the community. That is pretty bullish. And then over on Telegram, the guys, they have over, again, 9,000 followers as well, which is pretty massive. Again, the charts are looking healthy and they're pumping. I anticipate a pullback definitely. Again, if you're gonna buy anything, I'll put a very nominal amount. Again, it's high risk, high reward. But again, this part's interesting. We're gonna keep taking a look on this. I just saw it on the red today where everything was in, I saw it in the green where everything's in the red, and I thought this would be interesting. I thought you guys wanted to hear about it. So there we have it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you bullish for Giga Chad? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. Until next time, peace.